Good morning, second day in ID Dubai 2025, and today we are going to explain you features of our Synchro 88. Our dedicated person to do this is Mr. Max. Please, Mr. Max, can you explain us, please,
Good
how does it
morning.
work?
Good morning, everyone. We are here at HIDEC to present our workflow completed around Synchro 88. Synchro 88 is a network entirely developed by us, can connect all our devices to the professional who interact with the flow. In 88 Dent, we we give great importance to the support and the training. We wanted to give our customer, our user, the opportunity to know perfectly our machine and our method to work. We believe that is the base for a long cooperation, and we believe in this value.
Thank you very much, Mr. Max.
You're welcome.